Hey guys, today we're going to the Liberty Science Museum. We have Adele driving,
As usual.
Paris, Bella. This little nice view that we have. Nothing so far. Anyway, we decided to get the Instax Mini 9 with those Polaroid photos. And they give us a whole set of stuff. So we have the mini photo frames for the little Polaroid pictures. We have stickers, I think. Or oh no, this is to design your camera. So instead of just the pink camera, it's little flower designs if you want some. What else? These I have no idea what they are. Polaroid film skins. It's probably like stickers for the camera. Yeah, you can like see little ridges right there. Little lines. So like when you decide to take a picture, you could just stick it on so the picture won't have like a white kind of background to it. What else? We have a photo album. Perfect size for the Polaroids. We have a carrying case. Oh, I forgot about this. We have a carrying case for it, which is totally pink and cute and adorable. Isabel wanted the flamingo pink one. That's pretty cool. See, I already attached one of these to the camera. I forgot that they have like this. This is attachable as well. So I might as well just, take out the camera, put it here, so we can bring it with us to the museums and Bella can carry it in Paris. The mini close-up lens when you want to take selfies. These, they're color close-up lens. These are pretty cool because they're like different colors. So we have red, green, blue, and orange, or it's probably be yellow, but it looks orange. It's pretty cool. Make your Polaroids colorful. Some more of the Polaroid film skins. Those different patterns. Little notebook. Oh, this is another mini photo album. This is with love. These are pretty cool. Like you get a string, little clippies. You can put your picture in here. I forgot what they're called, but you can put your picture in here. It's like a border. There we go. Border. You can like have those little clippies on a string and decorate your room, dorm, whatever it is. That's pretty cool. And we have more of the portrait film skins. Lots of them. Okay, so I think that's it for the accessories. The kit came with the Instax Mini 9 itself. Okay, so I did open the camera. As you can see, this button right here, you turn it on. Little light's supposed to blink. To turn it off, you just push it back in. Put the batteries right in here, 2 AA batteries. Right here is the films, which they did provide for me in the kit, so I'm really appreciative of it. These are the little Polaroid Instax mini films. They gave me 2 packs, and there's 10 sheets of 2 packs of 2. So let me show you guys. This is the open one. So this one has 10 films, as does the other one. The other one is ready in the camera. Okay, so I wanted to try the color filters, so I'm gonna ask the kids which ones we should try first. Which ones should we try? The blue, the green, the red, or the orange?
I want red.
Red? Do you want red too?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's try the red one first, okay guys?
Okay.
Okay, so as you can see, there's the red little color effect on the camera. I'm about to take a picture of the kids and show you how it works. Look guys, the red one. Yeah, the red one.
Touch it.
So now we're gonna take a picture, you guys, and it's gonna have a red effect filter on it, okay?
Okay.
Ready? Okay guys, so hey, we're back. Bella decided to get the blue filter, Paris the red filter. Of course, Paris kind of looks orange or like yellow instead of red. The blue one is really kind of prominent. It's pretty cool. Hold on. Paris. Bella. Paris. So we finally made it to New Jersey. Feeling excited?
Very.
What about you guys?
Yum, yes,
Paris is eating a bagel. And Bella's finally off her iPad. Excitement all around.
Look like a mermaid. I'm playing this game with a mermaid.
Mermaids? Ooh, fancy.
Fancy?
Okay, so guys, we're at the Liberty Science Center. Up the stairs says expand your horizons. The second floor was I Spy, so that's what we're doing right now. She said it was for kids from 2 to 5. Little balls. I don't know what that is. I don't know what they're gonna be doing now.
You try that?
You have to put it in there.
Okay.
This is very entertaining.
Can we bounce on that?
I think this is a little too out of our age range for them to. But they seem to be having fun.
I'd love to try that.
So it's going up there. And then I guess it's going around or dropping or something. It's like a whole... Ooh, that's pretty cool. And that one just fell out. Isabel's hogging all the balls. She's gonna start inserting them one by one. Look at that. They all fell out. Sounds like and smells. We'll see me close up there. She lets you. Ooh, they can climb up there. That is so cool.
I want to go.
You want to go? Okay, we're gonna find where to go. So I see Bella right there. Where's Paris? Paris, come on.
Paris, go ahead, baby. Yeah, she's cool.
Paris got out. Isabel is enjoying herself. I see you. Be careful. Paris is back here with us. Paris got a little scared, but it's okay. And Bella's right there. I see you. She's enjoying herself. Okay, so we're back from that little pedal place. Now we're going to the touch tunnel where it's dark and spooky. So we're just done with the touch tunnel. This is what came out of it. Isabel was terrified. I was trying to get my way through there, and so was Adala, and so was Paris. It was pretty fun though. So now we're going to the microbes rule section. You are a body invader. Ooh, and now those are different kinds of microbes. Let's go. They get to draw there. I guess you get to touch and draw here, baby.
I want to press this. Press the domino.
This one's contaminated. This one contaminated. I think you click and you drag. Isabel, do you not click and drag? No, you don't. Or you could stamp. You could stamp to make shapes. You could use filters and all kinds of things. There's more here. Isabel, let's go around. There's more pictures of microbes right here. Paris sees a flower.
back to the rose.
Ooh, there's another flower. How much microbes would there be? So it pretty much tells you how much microbes are on your kitchen counters, rooms. So I'm gonna touch the little bit here. It's gonna show me. Contaminated item, clean dishes, species rotavirus.
I'm gonna clean the dishes. Yay, cookies!
That's the contagion station. You know when people sneeze? So for real, anytime we come around it.
That's enough sneezing for today.
So now we are in the graffiti expressions. You could draw Paris. Pictograms. Tickets here? Do you want to buy some tickets, Isabel?
Yes!
Oh, cuneiform. Posture and hand brush. Ooh, and this one is the quilt. This one is the quilt. So this board pretty much tells us where writing was invented. So Mesopotamia is cuneiform, Egyptian hieroglyphics, Chinese characters, and Mesoamerican glyphs. That's pretty cool. And from then on, it kind of transitioned into what we have today in languages of thought. Bella's still trying to cross the street. Uh-oh. This is pretty cool. How you hear. Watch how the ear model translates your voice into electrical signals. So your outer ear, your eardrum would be right here. Hammer, alveol, and stirrup. They connect to the brain. It's pretty cool. Wow. Ooh. Didn't know that. So these are your senses. Isabel, Paris, what are your senses? Taste. Hear. And see. You're right next to it. This is the seeing module. What's happening? Ooh, look, see? That's how you see. See mixed colors? That's your eyeball. Wait, well, it starts from here, of course. E, A, U, O, E. Hear the speaking model convert moving air into vowel sounds. Well, that didn't happen, but that's how you speak. How you sign. So this is the fourth floor. What are you doing pixel art?
Purple. Oh, you changed it.
How do you change it?
Like this circular.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Let me change it.
Look, you spin. You get a different color.
Change it.
So we just got into the planetarium show. What? So we finally finished having lunch and we finally finished with the planetarium things. Now we're going to, again to the fourth floor. So we're gonna go to the lion guard exhibit. The zebras, come on, go ahead. Go ahead. Come on, go Paris, go. They're going through the tall grass. So there's some more features to this exhibit. Ooh, it's like a vine, huh? Does it swing?
Can I try
It does swing, guys. It swings. Go back and forth. Does it? Oh no. Yeah. favorite attraction. Then they have like a little hallway of cosmos space. Of a space? Ooh, supernova. So I guess these are like supernovas and galaxies. They're such nice pictures. So now we're going to the bee box. This is a little hallway for them. I guess it's like robotic bees. They have a whole bunch of pictures of different kinds of bees. Tracking behavior. So I guess this is their whole little exhibit for them.
Look at the bees.
Little behavior. So we just walked into Energy Quest. All you feel is the energy. Oh, that's where it works. They were clicking the buttons and I didn't understand where.
It's so good. It's so hot.
Ooh, build your own molecules here. They're not letting me build any molecules. This is a carbon atom.
They have the white.
Minus the white. Yeah, take it, take it. You can't pull? It doesn't break.
I have to do it.
It doesn't break. These are some more molecular atoms. I'm sorry guys, I wasn't that great at chemistry, so I'm not too sure. Well, that's enjoyable. That's a whole gust of wind just coming at you. All you're missing is the floppy ears. That's what you're supposed to do. More wind speeds. Ooh, this one is cars. Look at it now go. Look at him go. Oh, that's how light travels. Plasma power. Fusion reactors use plasma to make energy. Oh, that's a plasma ring. That is so cool. There's a magnet right here. It's really hard to see. Solar power. That's the sun. You're controlling the sun. So with solar power, that's what we're trying to do. You get your energy through solar power, and that way you don't need to use fossil fuels.
A beautiful house.
See? So it goes from sunrise to sunset and noon. Solar energy. If it's not blowing, then you're not building a good turbine. See, that one's moving. This one? This one's not moving. You might need some more wings, whatever it is. This is kind of the last little exhibit that they have. The building blocks one, I guess. Let's see what they're going to build for us. They're just enjoying themselves now.
Paris. There's one. Oh, the chance to take everything.
Hey, she's building her little castle. Little girl's building everything. She took the little slide away from Bella. I'm kind of surprised that Bella didn't complain or cry. She's usually the type for that. So we're finally done with everything for the day in regards to the museum. And we're back to... Hey, Isabel! We're back to square one. So I'm gonna just take their picture and then we're gonna be ready to go. So we're finally back in the car, back from the museum. Now we're gonna be driving home. Did you guys enjoy yourselves?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I feel like they were both all tired. Like the video and subscribe if you like the channel or the video. Posting more vlogs on the channel soon. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.